Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming power. Swap the CR2032 or charge the Siri remote. A weak battery prevents volume control. Next, turn on the Apple TV and your TV, then move the remote within about 3 feet of the box so the IR and Bluetooth handshake can start. Open Settings, choose Remotes and Devices, and tap Volume Control. This is where you tell Apple TV how to handle your TV or receiver. Once done, you'll be ready to teach the remote the right commands. Now you configure the actual control method. Select TV via IR if your TV expects infrared, or pick receiver via HDMI-CC when using an ARC/eARC connection. Make sure CEC is enabled on both devices. If those fail, select Learn New Device and follow prompts. Point your original remote at the Apple TV, press the volume up and down when asked, and let the box capture the IR codes. While learning, keep steady aim and repeat until Apple TV confirms success. Finish by testing all functions. Press volume up, volume down, and mute. Try short and long presses to verify consistent responses. If you see lag or intermittent control, turn Bluetooth off and on, restart the Apple TV, and repair the remote. Make sure HDMI cables are in the ARC/eARC port if using CEC. If learning fails repeatedly, reset the remote by holding menu and volume up for 5 seconds, and then rerun the learn sequence. This usually clears pairing glitches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.